Hi everyone, welcome to Purposeful Crafts. Today, let's see how to make frog sculpture just out of paper. It is very easy and especially kids would love to do it. To make this toad, you will need aluminium foil, paint and just few minutes of your time. This frog sculpture would be a wonderful addition to your home or even garden. Now let's see how to make this toad. Take some old newspaper and start crushing to make body of the frog. Try to make pyramid shape with a flat bottom just like this so that it seats well. Then secure it with the tape. In similar fashion, try to match the shape of the frog's head and leg just as shown here. Hot glue head and leg parts to the body of the toad. This leaves us with a rough idea of the toad we are going to make. Now, take a big sheet of foil and cover the whole frog and hot glue the edges. Foil not only gives a finishing touch, but it also gives a nice texture to the frog. Once the desired shape and size is achieved, let's fix eyes for the toad using gemstones or even a pebble of similar shape. Here we have got a perfect frog sculpture just out of paper. Now the trick is to paint well to resemble a real frog. First, cover the frog fully with black, then blush gold, brown and green color. Let the eyes at the front alone remain black. Keep a drop of hot glue onto the eye and paint silver for it. Now the frog is painted completely. Let's give a coat of glossy varnish. This makes it shiny and waterproof so that you can use it outdoor as well as indoor. Here we ended up with a gorgeous frog sculpture only using paper. These look so cute when we group them up, so make these in different sizes and decorate your home. To know more such interesting projects like this, please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, post your feedback and share it with your friends. Let's meet soon with another purposeful craft again. Thank you. Bye-bye.